Hey everybody, here Mr. Connors. Wanted to show you a couple quick tips on how to create a new blog post, and in that blog post embed both your video and your survey. I'm actually going to be using Sydney's blog as an example. So here's Sydney's blog with all of her blog posts. Here is a YouTube page with her video on it, her PSA, and here is her survey that she's already gone ahead and started creating. So here we are. I'm taking a look at Sydney's blog. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and create a new blog post. Now, once you eventually get your blog post started, you're going to want to create a blog post title. Now, right in here, I'm going to go ahead and put opening paragraph. And that's where I'll type just a little bit of a paragraph saying the process that I went through, why I chose this topic, you know, the normal stuff. Under that, I'm going to actually embed my video. And under that, I'm going to embed my survey. EY. Very good. Very simple. So how do I actually go through the process of embedding a video? Well, first I need to go to my video, and here it is. And you'll find there's a button called Share. And if you go to the Share button, you should see that the second option is called Embed. There's the code I want and need. Now, 640 by 360 is probably not a bad, size for my video. I'm going to go ahead and copy the code that's in here, switch back to my new blog post, and I'm going to go into HTML view. When I do that, I should see the text that says Embed Video. Believe it or not, I'm going to copy that in HTML view and replace it by pasting in the actual code that I got from YouTube. If I switch back to Compose mode, you should now see my YouTube video embedded. Nice. Well, how do I get my survey in? Simple. I go back to the page that's got my survey on it. I go to File on the menu, scroll down, and hey, there's actually something that says Embed. So I click on Embed. It asks me how big do I want this survey to be. My video was 640, so why don't I actually make the width of my survey 640 as well? And my pixel height for the survey itself, 500 is kind of short. I don't want people having to scroll through my survey, so I'm going to actually change this to 1,000. 640 by 1,000 should be a good place to start. Now, once I do that, I have to actually highlight and copy the code. Then I can leave it just there in case I need to fix it later. I'm going to go back to my blog post, back into HTML view, and instead of embed my survey text, I'm going to highlight that, replace it by pasting in the embed code from before, click on Compose, and now you should both see my video and my survey down below. Pretty simple and neat, huh? What's it actually going to look like? Well, let's find out. What's the title of my video? What? I'm evicted? Excellent. That's a great title for a video. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on Publish. And let's take a look and see what that looks like. If I click on View Blog, I should now have a new blog post. Oh, unhappiness. Take a look. You'll notice over here that my video is actually wider than the space that my blog allows me. So I might actually want to make that a little shorter, a little smaller. Same thing with my survey. You'll notice my survey actually goes off the side of my page. Now I have two choices. I can either make the video smaller and the survey smaller, or I can actually go into my settings. If I go to Template, and if I go to Customize the Template, I can actually adjust the widths. And notice my main blog is 960 minus 310. Wow, what is that? 6 something? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to actually make this a little bit bigger. And you notice when I do that, it actually makes it large enough that you can see if it fits or not. Pretty sneaky, huh? So now that I've changed that and I'm happy with it, I'm going to hit Apply to Blog. And when I go back in, okay, to view my blog should now be able to fit my video nicely as well as my survey nicely, and I'm good. Of course, I need to fix my opening paragraph. And that's how you're going to go through the process of embedding your video and your survey into your blog. All right, see you guys next time.